Hello, today I will show you how to deal with interlaced images with PHP. We have Magento shop, but the issue isn't related to Magento, it's more related to PHP gd2 library. So if a designer provided us with interlaced images, we can't upload them. I will show. Okay, we can see an error. In logs it shows that gd2 library can't resize the image. So what we do, we should open our terminal, make sure we have imagemagick installed. Okay, imagemagick is installed. Now we should open a folder with our images. It doesn't matter if all of them interlaced or only some of them. We run one command through all images and it will fix all interlaced images. They will become non-interlaced. Okay, that's it. Okay, ready. It's quick enough. Let's try upload again. Okay, great, it works. Thank you for watching. Put likes and subscribe to our channel.